Good morning. We are in Livingston, Texas, and we're headed to do all of our how to become a Texan things. So the other day we did the registration of the trailer and the truck here in Livingston, Polk County, and today we are headed to the DMV to get our new license. We probably won't film in the DMV because it's the DMV. But just know that we'll be sitting and waiting, and hopefully the children are well behaved. They're doing very well this morning though. Say good morning, everybody.
Hi.
Say good morning. All the redheads. So then I think we're gonna go into a bigger town or city today. I don't know if we're gonna go to Houston or Huntsville or somewhere, but we have some shopping to do, and hopefully everybody will be well behaved and we can do some day in the life of 5 to go. So we just finished at the DMV and we are now Texans. We are registered. We are organ donors. Are you an organ donor? Oh, we're organ donors in the state of Texas, and we should get our license within the month. They're going to send them out in 2 weeks, and then it'll be a little bit before we get them wherever we are when we have them send it to us. We're headed out to Escapees now to pick up any mail that we might have. We're expecting a package from Grandma, so I'm going to go check that out, and then we're going to head into a bigger city than Livingston. Keep you posted.
Guys.
What?
Don't look now. Aaron's driving.
What?
What? So we just stopped at Escapees, picked up nothing. We had no mail.
We had no mail.
So we'll check again before we leave Livingston in a couple days to head down to Dallas, or up to Dallas. But right now we're going to head down to Houston to go to IKEA and Costco and a couple other things, because up here in Livingston they don't even have Starbucks.
Nope.
Which is kind of a sign of civilization. I mean, they have Taco Bell and Walmart and McDonald's and Jack in the Box, but no Starbucks, which not a big deal because we're not big into Starbucks coffee.
We just like their Wi-Fi.
We like the Wi-Fi for uploading videos. So let's head down to Houston. We're going to spend a couple hours down there just doing some various shopping and just kind of life stuff.
Yes.
So, because it's not a vacation. This is life.
Our life.
So
we'll follow the kids around and you can see them
Aaron's driving
in all their glory when we go shopping.
So we made it to IKEA here in Houston. I guess we're in Houston, yeah. It's kind of a big metropolitan area. It's about an hour ride from Livingston, so not too bad. Ben slept for a good portion of the way. The girls played on their play pads, so everybody's happy. Now we're gonna see if we can get the girls checked into Smalland. So we just have to worry about Ben for the next hour and a half. And then we're gonna look for some blankets. Gonna look at some storage stuff, of course, and we might even be looking for a mattress. So we'll see what happens.
Just dropped the girls off, getting 90 minutes. Yay! So yeah, Ben, we're gonna go check out the show place or show floor upstairs. We don't really need anything, so we'll get through there quickly, lay on some beds, and then go down to the marketplace. When we first started dating, we used to always come to IKEA because it was a cheap place to eat, and you could spend the day just being with each other and talking and just stuff, I guess. And then as we got our first apartment together, we bought almost all of the furniture from IKEA. And then we got our first townhouse and we got more IKEA furniture. And then we bought our first house again IKEA. And then when we had Tara, we decorated her whole room in IKEA. And IKEA has just been a staple in our home. Now that we got rid of everything to move into the RV, we don't have any furniture that's IKEA as of right now. But we have lots of storage and stuff, so going through IKEA now is a little quicker because we don't have room for any of the furniture. But we'll see. We've never bought an IKEA bed, like the actual mattress, so we might be getting one today.
I'm just going to jump in real quick, and just to add to the IKEA history of our relationship, the day that we met, I had been at IKEA with my friend Matt. We had just gotten back to the house we were living in, my mom's house, and Erin was there, and that's when I met her. So
we'll do an
thing.
Origin story at another time, but.
So our mattress at home sucks.
In the RV.
That's home.
I know, I'm just saying.
Yeah, mattress in the RV sucks. We put a like a memory foam topper thing on it, and it helped a lot. But those like Denver mattress company things, those are awful mattresses. So we put the memory foam topper on it to try and help, and it did, but it's just not enough. Plus, the memory foam topper moves all over the place, and we have one of the bed in our RV, the bottom like third, has a hinge so you can flip it up and access storage on the bottom. Every time you do that, that mattress topper slides like 6 inches off the bottom, and it's a pain to move back. And
we have girls that like to be on our bed that just slide off the end to get off, and they move it too. So.
Yeah.
Just getting on and off the bed. So.
Yep. So we're looking for something that's one big piece and much more comfortable, but not super crazy expensive. The one we're sitting on now is $400 for a queen, which is really, really good. Apparently the IKEA mattresses, a lot of people like them, a lot of people don't. But we'll probably,
things, IKEA.
Yeah, we'll probably leave with this one. So we'll see. So this is, anything's better, but this is a lot more comfortable.
Yeah.
So.
It's so fun. Oh. We went to Walmart tonight, and in addition to buying new pillows and some new pillowcases for our new IKEA bed, we found a little piece of carpet to put right in front of the recliners in front of the TV that matches the carpet that was already in the RV quite nicely, and the kids are having a good time rolling around on it and just being on it. But it gives us another place for them to be while we're watching a family movie, or if they're going to play with Legos. It gives Vector a place to lay when when he's not up on the chairs or the recliner or the bed. So I think this will be nice to have in here. There's Vector. He's laying on one of the recliners right now. There's his old bed, so he doesn't lay as much. We're hoping he'll lay on the carpet that we just got at Walmart, and it matches the carpet in the RV almost perfectly. So exciting.